Okay. Create document exercise 2, and then I'll go to my problem. So all units is in millimeter. So I'll check my units under space units. I use millimeter, then accept, then where should I start? So I decide what plane should I start. So I choose the top plane, this one. So I choose this top plane. So and then normal 2, and then I'll draw my shape. I just draw the first one, this one. So circle, so 3 circles. So sketch, circle, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and this has so 2 circles, and then 2 circle, and then I put relationships. So this one and this one. So I just press Control or Shift. So pareham ni sila, so I put equal. Kani sad, kani equal. Napareha siya gidakon. And then I'll dimension, I'll put dimension, sa ganinang dimension. So where's dimension? Here. So this one should be, this one is 50. 50. So this one, I dimension again. This one is, kailangan siya, radius of 15. So 30 ni. Kaya, inside man ni, inside kay 12. So this is 24. Diameter of 12. So just double click. 12, diameter of 12. Okay. Then this one is diameter of 30. This one. Then this one, from here up to here, nani siya distance of nara sa ubos, it's pila. From center to center, 75. Pwede ra kog 75 divided by 2. Enter. So that is 37.5. Di kan diri pa doon niya. Okay? So the same thing from here up to here, that's 37.5. So namin siya calculator function. So make sure sa na-define na. And then I add my line. So sketch. Where's my line? Here. So ako lang ituyo og daplin. Mutan na mo na ano na daplin. So I'll just put it. Gani. Click na kong tangent. Kani. Kani o kani. Tangent. So na tangent na siya. Pwede rasad ninyo tunog sa linya, make sure nga naam ni siya reference kanang naay ni gawas nga line. So I don't want that one, I want tangent. So this one padung diwa, oops, undo. Ang red siya kay na tangent siya kay waka ka buhat og line. So line ang biha. Make sure naka-tangent. So this one should be tangent to this. Na tangent. Na kung dili siya matangent, tendency, pwede ni nako i-delete. Delete. So, kani, mamove ko na, ako na i-tangent, click, tangent, click here. Okay, so fully define na siya, mo-block na siya. Okay, so the same thing all over, pwede sa continuous line, munang tuyoon ra na kog palayo, tuyoon sa na kog palayo. Ako ra nang i-relation kani ug kani tangent. Kani ug kani tangent. Okay? Kani ug kani tangent. Kani ug kani tangent. Long method ni siya. So, ingon ani siya kahugaw, pwede na ni nato ma-extrude. So, na-tangent kani kay murag wa mag-touch. Okay. Karon nang sa other software, kung na siya mga ingon ani mga line nga sobra sa SolidWorks, mag-error na siya. So, pwede inyo i-cut, trim na nimo, click drag ra, ani sad, click drag. Pwede limpyuhan, pwede ra sa let it go, dili ra ikuan. So, pwede ipang trim, ani trim ang mga sobra. Pwede ra sa di, let's say this one, dili ra nako i-trim. But rather, ako na extrude. So, I'll go to my isometric and then accept and then extrude command. This one. Mamay siguro extrude. So, pili ko kani extrude kani extrude. Pasensya kay wala ko'y secondary ruler. Nag-apple ko. So, kani appeal extrude, kani supposed to be toyo kaspikas. Appeal ni. Uy, wala na appeal. Supposed to be napa sa ilam. Kani appeal. Kana. So, kani let it hollow. Okay? So, let it hollow. Kay base ako adere, kani pa mang ilam akong gi-extrude. So, may tabo, kani ilam, pila may thickness, it's 10. So, extruded, thickness, 10. Accept. Okay. So this is my first drawing. Wala ni labot. Unya ko na lungagan. Just this one. Unya sa ko ni ipatong. Okay? So the second part is the top. Ako sa siyang extrude. So on the top, again, I'll try to draw another one. So sketch again. Ay, pwede ba nga makita ang akong sketch diri? Kana, kaning lingin. See ko no, cancel. So, sketch, and then circle, draw, itouch ako ning dili ko ni necessary i-dimension. Ako lang ni ibutang tangent nginhi. Okay, so na-enlarge siya. So this would be nginhi kutob. Okay, so sideways, extrude, kana ra ako extrude, kana pila man ni 28, that would be 28, enter, accept. Okay, so masa naman ko ani tanaw mo na ni kani ngari na lang tunga. So lungago na nako kay kutob raman din ha. So I'll draw again on top. Draw my circle, sketch. How much is dimension of this circle? Kani? So the dimension is the inside 20. So dimension of 20. This one. 20. Accept. Extrude. Balik-balik. This one. Pero ang extruded na ko ani is extruded ka padung sa ubos. So blind instead. And then remove. Adto ko sa remove. And then through all. Through all means dito silam. So kani dito ilam through all y dimension accept. So kung imo ning tan-awon again on top dito sa ilam. And then I'll need to put another sketch here on this plane. So muna gi-click na ko ang plane. And then draw another circle. And then dimension. And then pilay dimension sa iyahang that's 30 ang diameter. Ang deep is 6. Okay, this one is 30. Enter. And then accept. Extrude. This one. Remove. Under sa remove. Blind. Itong tanawon. Angular. Blind. Ang deep is 6. Accept. Okay. So, muna na siya. And then, I'll put my asamang front ani nga isometric that one money now. Bali, ari diri. So, whichever side na halo, this one ay halo. So, kung kaninag face, na sa left side. Okay? O, whichever, pwede kag diri, pwede diri. Basta na halo sa both sides. Depende may sa imong isometric. So I already have this one, this one, this one, this one. Problema na lang nako is the hollow on the side. Okay? So I choose the right plane, that one, and then right plane, na, and then I'll draw my sketch, and then draw my circle, this one, okay, and then dimension that circle with how much diameter of 6. So diameter of 6, dimension, go 6. Then the location of this one to this one, how much? So that would be 12. So you type 12. And then if I go to isometric view, so the drawing you made is in the center. So extrude one side only. So I'll go to extrude, that one. And then, asa man, pwede diri, pwede nga to. So kung balihon mo, adto nga to, that one, pwede ko through all again. So lapos-lapos ang lungag. Remove. So remove man siya. Accept. So this would be your drawing. I'll see view style. It's custom view. Where's the view? This one. Ano? Nani viewing? Yeah. Okay. So muna na ang ako ang isometric and 3D. So ibutang na lang ninimo sa imong papel para nanakay detailed drawing kani this one. Okay?